Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? I'm Aminur from NewTech, and today I'm gonna talk about a very interesting thing that's gonna be very helpful for you. And that is, if you have an iPhone, you may use it as your webcam on your PC. But if you have multiple iPhone to you, then you may use all of them to your PC and make a multiple camera setup while you are recording your project or streaming. So if I want to cover all of this thing in a single video, that's gonna be a bit long, which is why I have separated all of this thing into two pieces. So in this part, I'm going to show you how you can install the latest Epoccam driver on your PC and also get the Epoccam for your iPhone. And if you know these things, then skip to the next video where I have shown how you can set up and how you can enjoy all of this thing. That video link in my video description, and also you will find that on the I button somewhere over here. So basically in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Epoccam on your iPhone and also how you can install the latest utility on your PC. And on the next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up all of this thing and enjoy the multiple camera while you're recording your project or if you're a streamer. So before we get started, I really suggest you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I posted this kind of awesome new videos. And if you've done that, thank you so much, and let's get to this video started. Alright guys, so once we are on the computer, we need to open up our web browser, and you'll get this link on my video description, or you can just search it on, you can search anywhere about Epoccam and you will find this link. So if you scroll down, as you can see, you need to select your operating system. It's Mac OS and Windows. You can either use it on Mac or Windows, both, but it's not available for Linux yet. So, and now you need to select again that if you are a Mac user or Windows user. So now as you can see, it's selected and it's saying that requires Windows 10 64-bit or later. We press download and okay, no thanks, and it will start downloading. So so once it's downloaded, it's very ready to install. So I accept the agreement. You can change the path if you want. So I've selected the path and now pressing next, install. Yes. And it's finished. So you can just cross it, and here's the new utility / the Epoccam app, from where you can manage everything that you want. You can either check for the Windows update and everything. So as you can see, it was really easy to download Epoccam on your iPhone and install the new utility app on your PC. So if you have any problem, you can just comment down below and go to my Discord server. If you have any problem, you can just come to my Discord server and ask to me, and we may have some conversation face to face. So yeah, now if you want to know how to set up multiple camera, go to the next video. That will be over here somewhere. Yeah. Off করে দাও ভাই, কথা কইও না।